I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of Garden Gate. We just recently got some beautiful toys in for the kids. And these are all nature-based toys, so things that they can do outside or at the cottage, wherever. So nice to think about for the summer now that we've got to get the kids outside once they're out of school. So we have a lot of puzzles. This is a little take and go kind of puzzle, just 36 pieces, so that's just a little one. This is really cool. This is a solar print kit. So it comes with a paper, you lay something like a fern on the paper, set it in the sun, and you get these really cool images forming with it. Includes a couple of little frames as well, so you can frame the art if you're really happy with it. We have all these great metal watering cans, metal buckets, tool bags, tool kits. We have these really fun bird books. We've had these ones for a little while, but they're awesome. So they're the sound books where you push the little button and then you can hear the song of the bird. So really nice for smaller kids to help them learn what birds they're seeing in the backyard. All kinds of other little puzzles. We've got some really nice gloves for the kids, so if they want to help in the garden, it's nice to have some little gloves for them instead of trying to use big adult gloves that are too big for them. Little binocular kit for the kids with some ID information there for IDing birds. They can make a birdhouse. We have a bird feeder that they can make and paint, which is really fun. We even have some hats, and these are little flapjack hats, and we're getting another line of hats in as well. So they're really super, lots of fun things for the kids. I hope you'll drop by. We'll see you soon.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.